Fractions of a set part 2. Now, looking at my previous video, you might be wondering if there's an easier way to work this out. Let's take a look at how we can work this out using some simple calculations. So if we were to find 2/5 of 10, we can represent this as 2/5 times 10. The next step following would be to look at the numerators against the denominators and see if we have any common factors between these numbers. If you look at 10 and 5, yes, 5 and 10 has got a common factor of 5. Now, so with this common factor, what we are going to do next is to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5. So 10 divided by 5 will give us 2, and 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. Now, why we need to do so explains the fact that when we divide 10 into groups of 5, hey, each group has got 2, isn't it? That explains the 2 here. And next step would be to multiply 2 in the numerator with the other 2 that we have just got. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. How did we end up with this 4 with the 2 times 2? Comparing to the previous working, we're looking at 2 groups. So the 2 here refers to the 2 groups. 2 over the other side, where 10 is from, refers to 2 coins in each group. Therefore, our answer is 4. Let's take a look at the next example, whereby we have 3/4 of 12 slices of pizza. Now, we can also write this as 3/4 times 12. Again, we observe and see if there's any relationship between the numerators and the denominators that we can divide common factors by. 4 and 12. They have a common factor of 4. So, 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. That explains why in every part there are 3 slices. So the 3 actually comes from there. And to get the final answer, 3 times 3 will give us 9.